Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to see about the next equation, that is Maxwell's equation. So the equation of Maxwell is given by the equation of Maxwell can be derived with the help of divergence of electric flux density, that is D is equal to, or divergence of D is equal to limit delta V tends to 0 surface integral D dot ds divided by delta V. This you can call it as equation number 1, and this also is equal to dou into dx upon dou x plus dou dy upon dy plus dou dz upon dz. So this we already know. So this we have also derived from the previous derivations. Next, so with the help of this and Gauss law, we can write that according to the Gauss law, we know into Gauss law, we have psi is equal to q is equal to surface integral t dot ds. This is according to Gauss law. So this you can call it as some equation number 2. Okay. Then if I want to express this in terms of unit volume basis, if you want to express the equation number 2 in terms of unit volume basis, this can be as per unit volume basis. So this equation, you convert it as, you can take q divided by delta V is equal to surface integral t dot ds divided by delta V. Okay, this is the unit volume basis. Now if I take limits, taking limit delta V tends to 0 on both the sides, I will get as limit as delta V tends to 0, that is q divided by delta V is equal to limit delta V tends to 0, then surface integral t dot ds upon delta V. So this you can call it as some equation number 3. Okay. So but we know that limit delta V tends to 0, q divided by delta V is nothing but volume density, that is rho V. So this you can call it as some equation number 4. Now equation number 4, use the volume charge density at the point where the divergence is obtained. So equating equation number 2 and 4, we get that equating equation number 2 and 4. So we get that divergence D is nothing but what? Rho into V, or we can also call it as this as del dot D is equal to rho into V. So this is the important equation. So okay, this equation is called as Maxwell's first equation applied to electrostatics. Okay, so this is the Maxwell's first equation. Okay, so this derivation we have done. Then some problems we can take on this and we can solve the one problem. So the problem statement I'll write it as let T is equal to 5 r square AR millicoulomb per meter square for r less than 0.08 and D 0.1 upon r square into AR millicoulomb per meter square for r greater than 0.08 meters. So here also it is meters. Find charge density for r equal to 0.06 meters and find charge density for r is equal to 0.1 meters. So this is the problem statement. So the solution we can take is, so we know that L dot D is equal to rho into V. So we assume it as a spherical coordinate system. So for spherical coordinate system we have del dot D is equal to 1 divided by r square dou by dou r of r square into dr plus 1 divided by r into sin theta dou by dou theta of sin theta d theta plus 1 divided by r sin theta into dou by dou phi of d phi. Okay, so this is the equation. So we have from the given statement we have dr, dr is nothing but 5 into r square, comma d theta is 0, comma d phi is 0. So we have del dot d. Del dot d is nothing but what? 1 divided by r square d by dr of r square into 5 r square. Okay, only this much remains. So this is nothing but 1 divided by r square. So d by dr of 5 r raised to 4. So this is nothing but what? If we take the differentiation, we get 20 r cube divided by r square. This is nothing but 20 into r. So this is the rho p. Okay. So at r is equal to 0.06 meters, comma rho v will become what? 20 into 0.06 meters. So this is nothing but 1.2 millicoulomb per meter cube. Okay, so this is the one solution. So next one is second solution can have. So they have asked for d. So d is equal to what we have? 0.1 divided by r square into ar. This is millicoulomb per meter square. So as above only we can take, that is we have dr only. Dr is nothing but 0.1 divided by r square, then comma d theta is 0, d phi is 0. So del dot d is nothing but what? 1 divided by r square dou by dou r of r square into 0.1 divided by r square. So this we get it as only 1 divided by r square into dou by dou r of 0.1. So this is nothing but 0. This is rho v. So therefore for r is equal to 0.1 meters, we have rho v is equal to 0. So this is the solution. So these are the two problems and the derivation of Maxwell's first equation. Okay, and for next class we will continue with the one more derivation. The derivation is about the proof of divergence theorem, and next we will continue with the Maxwell's second equation. Okay, thank you.